Hey, what up guys, Carlos here, aka Lobo Films, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 6 websites that I use to get all my sound effects from. Alright guys, so let's jump right into it. The first website that I started using was videocopilot.net. Now they have 5 different packs, each one is $49.99, but you can also do like a bundle where you just buy all 5 of them for $150. If you have the money to spend the $150, I say go for it and do it. I don't know, if you're like me, I'm a big hoarder as far as like my sound effects go. I feel like you can never have too many. Now if you don't have the money to buy the pack as far as the $150 goes and you're just gonna buy individual ones, I highly recommend that you first look into getting Velocity, which is more of like whooshes and sounds like that are passing by. And then the second pack I really recommend would be Impact. So that's gonna be like a whole bunch of like slams and risers and stuff like that. So definitely look into that. All right, number 2 on our list is avamusicgroup.com. I don't really remember how I found them. I just kind of came across it. When I bought it, it's a pack. I think you get like about 100 sounds. When I got it, it was $99, which I checked the site recently and now they dropped it down to $59. I was originally gonna keep this off my list because I felt like for what I paid, $100, it wasn't really worth it. I don't use too many of them. But since they dropped it down to 59 bucks, I definitely think it's worth it now, you know, so definitely look into getting those. Like I said, it's a whole bunch of kind of like trailer type of sound effects, so it'll have a lot of big risers, impacts, and really good slams. So definitely another one to look into. All right, number 3 on our list would be lensdistortion.com. Now that's a probably more popular one that you guys might know of. If you don't know of it, now you do. A lot of popular filmmakers use it, so like Peter McKinnon, Sam Colder, Matt Como, just to name a couple of them. I know for sure that they've used them in their videos because I've recognized the sounds. Lens distortion is a little more expensive though, so like for one pack you're looking at between $150 to $230 just for one pack of sounds. And then they do like a bundle pack also, but that's like $450 to buy all of them, which I definitely don't have the money to like just drop like that. So what I did was, when I first started, you know, I did Video Copilot and I would buy one pack, then I bought another, then I saw Ava Music Group, so I waited a few months, used my Video Copilot stuff, then I got that, and just kind of slowly built up my library over time. Next on the list is Epidemic Sound. I know a lot of people know this one, pretty popular, everybody kind of uses it. And at first I remember hearing about it and I was like, whatever, you know, I'm not gonna use it. And then I tried it out and I actually liked it, and there's a lot of sounds that I've gotten from there. I pay $15 a month and then I can kind of just download whatever sounds that I need. And I think it's definitely worth it. And number 5 on our list is soundsnap.com. Really similar to Epidemic Sound. I think Epidemic Sound is probably a little bit better just as far as their deals go, because with SoundSnap you have to pay like $30 a month to get like a monthly subscription, or you could do, I believe it's like $15 for 5 sounds or $29 for 20 sounds, which right now I've just been doing the $15 for 5 sounds, and I really haven't used that one too much yet. I mean, there's been a couple sounds that I've grabbed from it, but I don't use it too much. So number 6 on our list is boomlibrary.com. Honestly, I don't know too much about this one. I heard about it from Jacob Owens watching one of his videos. He said that he would get some of his sound effects from there. I checked it out and noticed that it's just a whole bunch of packs. They all vary in price range, just depending on what you want to get. But I haven't bought one yet, so I just thought I would put it on the list because it's just one more place to look at. Now there is one more bonus. So I know I said 6, but this is going to be number 7, which would be my Rode mic. I bought it for like 99 bucks. And a lot of people underestimate the mic, to tell you the truth, because they think, oh, it's a cheap mic, it's not gonna be that good. But honestly, I've used that mic for a lot of sound effects that I have now. A lot of times what I like to do when I'm filming, if I'm filming a shot, for instance, like for example, let's say I'm filming somebody walking in the forest. My first take will be just focusing on the subject and making sure they're in frame right, making sure everything looks good, and shoot them walking. And then afterwards, I'll cut and do a second take, but then that one, I'll be focusing on sound. So instead of just worrying about what's on the camera and what I'm shooting, I'll point the microphone closer to like their feet, for instance, if they're walking. And, you know, get the footsteps, get the sounds of the leaves crunching, and all that good stuff. And then when I'm back in post and I'm editing, I'll take the shot that I like from my first take and the sounds from my second take and then mix it together. And that's a little tip that I've been doing a lot with some of my videos. So guys, that's where I get a lot of my sounds from. I know a lot of videographers don't like to share that, and for a while I was a little hesitant about sharing it myself, but I get so many questions daily and a lot of good feedback from you guys, and you guys really appreciate the videos that I've been making so far. So I was just like, might as well share it, you know. If you guys know of any other places that I didn't list to get sound effects, comment down below. Let's all help each other out. As far as like I go, I know I'm always looking to get new sound effects and better stuff. So for sure, if you know of any good ones, comment below. I'll love to check them out. Now, if you want to see a more in-depth video, I'm thinking about making about a 40-minute to an hour-long video showing you my favorite sound effects from each pack, and then showing you how I use them when I'm editing, how I mix different sounds. So sometimes I'll get a sound from this pack and a sound from this pack and put them together to make a whole different sound. If you guys are interested in that, comment down below or DM me on Instagram. And if I get enough people interested, I'm thinking about doing like a mini course for sound design, and I'll probably sell it for about 50 bucks. So that's it for this video, guys. I try to make it short and sweet. I guess it's not really a tutorial, but more so a guide as far as where I get all my sounds from. Hopefully it helps you out, and I guess I'll catch y'all next time.
And then I'll do it all again. It's not because of that, it's not because of my